Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest Kodi tips and tutorials. If you're looking for one of the best and most reliable Kodi add-ons for movies and TV shows, then you need to check out Umbrella. In today's video, I'll explain what the Umbrella add-on is, how it works, and why it's different from all the other Kodi add-ons out there. Let's jump right in. The Umbrella add-on is a premium Kodi video add-on that focuses on streaming high-quality movies and TV shows. It comes from the Umbrella repository and is built as a fork of Venom, which means it's fast, lightweight, and full of new features. While many add-ons struggle to stay online, Umbrella has built a strong reputation for speed, stability, and quality streams. Now, here's where Umbrella really stands out. It's designed to work exclusively with premium services like Real Dbrid, All Dbrid, and Premiumize. That means no more broken or slow free links, just high-speed, premium quality streams in HD, 4K, and even Dolby Atmos sound. If you use Real Dbrid, Umbrella delivers some of the best streaming results available in Kodi today. Umbrella is also known for being incredibly fast and lightweight. It loads sources in seconds, making it a great choice for low-powered devices like Fire Stick, Android TV, or streaming boxes. Where other add-ons lag or freeze, Umbrella stays smooth and responsive, even when browsing large libraries. If you use Tracked, Umbrella integrates perfectly. It automatically syncs your watch history, progress, and custom lists, giving you a seamless streaming experience across all your devices. You can start a show on one device and continue where you left off on another. Umbrella also gives you tons of control over your setup. You can filter links by quality, provider, or file size, choose preferred sources, and tweak playback options for Real Dbrid and Tracked. It's perfect for power users who like to fine-tune their streaming experience. One big reason Umbrella is trusted by many is because it's actively maintained by the developers. They push regular updates to keep it compatible with the latest Kodi versions, including Kodi 20 Nexus and Kodi 21 Omega. That means fewer issues and better reliability over time. So to sum it up, the Umbrella Kodi add-on stands out because it offers premium quality links with Real Dbrid, lightning-fast scraping, tracked integration, deep customization, and consistent developer support. If you want a smooth, reliable, and premium streaming experience, Umbrella is one of the best add-ons you can install right now. If you don't have Kodi installed, head down to the description and click on the link, How to Install Kodi. Now, if you have Kodi installed, let's get started on the install of Umbrella. Launch the Kodi app, then click Settings. Select the system icon. If it isn't already enabled, click the toggle to turn on unknown sources. Click Yes. Return to the System menu and open File Manager. Select Add Source. Click None. Type the repo URL and click OK. Highlight the box under the source that you just typed in and enter a name for this media source. Type Umbrella or any other name you prefer. Click the back button on your remote until you are on the system screen. Then click Add-ons. Click Install from zip file. Select Umbrella or any other name you used in the steps above. Select the zip file, repository.umbrella.zip. The Umbrella repository add-on installed message appears. Next, click Install from repository. Choose Umbrella repository. Scroll down and select Video add-ons. Choose Umbrella. Click Install. When prompted, click OK. You will then encounter Umbrella add-on installation complete message. If you encounter the Umbrella changelog, simply click the Select button or Back button to exit. Installation is now complete. However, we are not done yet, as Umbrella requires an external provider for use. Follow the instructions below to install and enable Cocoa Scrapers within Umbrella for movies and TV shows. We also provide a step-by-step guide to integrate Real Dbrid, which is needed to stream content. How to install Cocoa Scrapers module. The latest update to Umbrella requires the installation and integration of an external scraper. We show you how to install the Cocoa Scrapers module, which works perfectly to provide streaming links within the Umbrella add-on. After installing Umbrella, return to the Kodi settings page and select File Manager. Click Add Source, click None. Enter the following URL exactly as it is listed here, and click OK. Type Coco or other name for the media source and click OK again. Return to the settings page and click Add-ons. Click Install from zip file. Select Coco or whatever you named the media source in previous step. Click repository.cocoscrapers.zip. Wait for the Coco Scrapers repository add-on installed message to appear. Click Install from repository. Choose Coco Scrapers repository. Select Program Add-ons. Click Coco Scrapers module. Click Install. You will then see Coco Scrapers module add-on installed message. Coco Scrapers has now been installed. After installing Coco Scrapers, we can now enable them for use within the Umbrella add-on. Launch Umbrella. Click back to close the Umbrella changelog. From the home screen of Umbrella, select Tools. Click Settings, Providers. Hover over Providers Accounts and click to enable external providers. Click External Provider, choose Coco Scrapers module. You will then encounter Coco Scrapers external module set successfully message. How to integrate a debrid service for Umbrella. As noted above, Umbrella does not work without a premium hosting service. In this guide, we show instructions for enabling Real Debrid within Umbrella. Register for Real Debrid at realdebrid.com. After you have registered your Real Debrid account, return to the home screen of Umbrella and select Tools. Select Settings, Accounts. Hover over Accounts and under Real Debrid, click Authorization. You are then provided with a Real Debrid authorization message. Make note of this code. Visit realdebrid.com/device on your phone or computer and enter the code given in the previous step. Press Submit button. Click Allow for Umbrella add-on. Return to Umbrella and you will see the authorized message. Click OK. Umbrella Kodi setup is now complete. However, you may require an additional step to stream content within Umbrella. If you're prompted with the following message to install MetaHandler, click Yes. Update your interface with Umbrestuary. As a bonus, the Umbrella repository also features a custom skin that works exclusively with the Umbrella add-on. This skin is featured in the Simply Umbrestuary build for those who wish to use it with a Kodi build. Open the Umbrella repo, choose Look and Feel. Click Skin, select Umbrestuary. Click Install, choose OK, click Yes. You can change this in settings if you wish to revert back. Umbrestuary add-on installed message will appear. Click Yes if you wish to keep the skin. Umbrestuary skin is now installed. Overall, Umbrella is an awesome add-on that works fabulously on all devices and contains some high-quality streaming links. Make sure you're using a VPN when using any add-on. We want you to stay safe. Click on the Privato VPN link in the description. Also check Vseebox video review. Click on the link in the description. This TV box has it all: live TV, movies, and TV shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.